being as the State Minister of Foreign Affairs of Somaliland, dear esteemed guests, friends, we apologize that we could not be attended at the second International Dialogue of Nations in Moscow due to the circumstances beyond our chance. But we wish to thank you for the Russian government and the organizers for making the events or what occurring here, and we extend our heartfelt support, and we are very appreciated that for your acceptance to participate on this. Back to Somaliland, a former British protectorate, which was called as Somaliland, has gained its independence on 20 June 1960. Somaliland was independent and sovereign state before it united with other Somalia in the colonial of Italian in the southern. So it is the first place that a Somaliland flag has been raised up in 20 June. So when we have united with the other Somalis, our people has discriminated by the others. We lost our what we have, what is necessary to get from the government, and our people have suffered a systematic discrimination occurred to our people, unjust occurred to our Somaliland people. They have suffered a systematic discrimination shaded